is actually the first hostel slash hotel that I've ever seen with everything, absolutely everything, from a penthouse all the way down to dorm rooms. This is the penthouse, and basically it's fully furnished with a king-size bed. You have a living room, also have flat screen TV. There's a huge closet space for you to put your clothing in. It's almost like home away from home. Tea and coffee is included. All the private rooms here, there's a mini fridge filled with snacks and drinks. Also, hot showers 24 hours a day, and there is a bathroom inside along with a shower, and also a guest bathroom outside. But my favorite part is actually the terrace, so let's go and take a look. Now this is my favorite part of the entire penthouse. Waking up to a beautiful sunrise, as well as fresh air, and seeing the Prague castle in the back. But for those of you who have a slightly lower budget, let's check out another room. This is actually a room that you can consider. You get everything in a penthouse except for it's compact together. A king-size bed, lots of closet space, a working area, a mini fridge that's fully stocked, a TV, and also a living room. Not to mention the terrace out there. One thing about this particular room that's a little bit different is you actually get a full bathtub. Every room has room service. They have both local and international cuisines that you can choose from. So for those of you who want to go basic and just need a comfortable night of sleep, this is pretty much best option. You get a king-size bed, a work area, a TV, larger closet space, a clean bathroom with, of course, linen, soaps, and shampoos, everything's included. The only difference is from the previous suite is this suite does not have a terrace and it has a shower rather than a bathtub. For those of you with a lower budget, there's another option. This is the last option. It's for those who's really on a tight budget without sacrificing the comfort. It's actually pretty fancy dorm bed. Every single bed has its own lock safe, has a reading lamp, multiple outlets for you to plug in your accessories. The storage is down there. And what impressed me the most about it is the bathroom. It's ultra fancy and clean.